Hi, I'm Laura Bartow from Studio One Stampers, and I'm guessing that you might be home a little more than usual. So I wanted to show you some great projects. One of the things I love about our Stampin' Up! Catalog are our all-inclusive kits. We've got a couple of different kinds. The first one I'm going to tell you about, you might have heard something about Paper Pumpkin. Paper Pumpkin's a subscription. You can order it right on my website. It comes in your mailbox every month. Let me open this one up and show you what's inside. This happens to be the February kit. Not available anymore, but still lots of fun. So I opened up my Paper Pumpkin kit, and there's some fun new information about possibly an add-on kit. Oh, there's what a fun stamp set. So look at all the stamps you get. Oh my goodness, there's flowers and greetings. This kit has all kinds of good stuff. And then a different color of ink. These are little tiny ink spots. As you grow your collection, each time you'll get a different color in your kit. So you'll begin to get a huge collection of different colors of ink. Oh, and then let's open that up. Oh, fun. Oh, how fun. This is exciting. So, oh, look at that. So this particular kit has 3 different cards in it, and I can see from the pictures that I'm going to make, maybe about 9 of them. Well, let's see what's in this kit. All right, so if I open this up, I can't wait. Get all the pieces. Everything's pre-cut and ready to go in here. Got some printed paper and instructions, and ooh, look at all the tags and little dots, and this one even has some sequins in it. And look at this. Oh, here's the pictures, and of course the instructions. So that's fun. Look at this, some pre-printed things, little happy birthday cake. Oh, and look at those cute envelopes, even with liners in them. A couple of different kinds of that. Oh, I can pick my greetings. Pick your greetings out to whichever one you want to put on which card. And here's, what a fun fold. This is a fun fold on these card bases. So this one is just, look, there's a little slot in there, and that goes in there. I didn't really know what to expect. So, and a different card base. This one goes the other way. Some tags. Of course, they've given me some dimensionals. I need those. Wow, everything's in here. I'm ready to start. The only thing I'm going to need maybe is a pair of scissors and some glue. How fun. Well, that's the ones that come in the mail. How fun is that? So you'll want to get your subscription. The best deals are either the 3, 6, or 12-month subscription. Of course, you can go month to month. And did you know you can even pause your kits? Like, say you're going to be out of town. That's probably not going to happen. But in case you were, you could pause your subscription and have it skip over to the next month. So anyway, just a fun thing. Oh, and there's tons of resources on how to take and change them around and make all kinds of new things out of Paper Pumpkin. So you're definitely want to get this subscription started right away. And if you order before the 10th of the month, then you'll get that month's subscription. So make sure you get your order in before the 10th of the month. The other thing that you can get, and you can get this right away, are our all-inclusive kits. So these are kits that are in our catalog. They're on our main catalog. Here we are at the back of the main catalog, pages 202 and 203. There's 3 kits that we featured here. The first one is called Looking Up. The next one is called Notes of Kindness. And the third one is called Lots of Happy. Well, let's take a peek into what some of these kits look like. All right, so here they come in these fun boxes. What I love about these boxes is you can open them up, you can do a couple of cards, you can put all your supplies back in, stick them on the shelf, and pull it out again later. So everything's in here. So what do I mean by everything? Well, you get a stamp set, so a cute little stamp set. This one says thanks. You get ink, and then all of your supplies. You get instructions and then all of your supplies. And look at this. You even get a block to mount your stamps on. So you can start collecting blocks so you have more and more as you're stamping more. All of your papers printed, everything. Everything's in here. Instructions. You just need some adhesive and possibly a pair of scissors. So that's the all-inclusive kit. This one is Notes of Kindness. So a fabulous kit. Now let me show you maybe my favorite, not really sure. This one is called Lots of Happy. And this is what these cards look like. Well, what's fun is they give you really nice instructions. And if you're the kind of person that loves pictures, like I do, they're all pictured. And they number things and tell you what to put where. And that's really fun. And then they also have a few more details written here what to do. Well, this one, of course, has another wonderful stamp set. This one I love because it has birthday, it has here for you, it has thanks, it has all the basic things that I use all the time. Now, what's fun about this kit is that it makes all different size things. Look at all the stuff that comes in here. You can make little fold over things. These are the envelopes. They come with stripes inside. Even has a hexagonal card. And here are all your little pieces that you'll stamp your greetings on. And here are some of that striped paper. More envelopes, more card bases, and pencils, more card bases. Here are all your pieces, and they just pop out, so you can just pull your pieces out. You don't have to cut them. They're ready to go. This is really fun. This is vellum. These are vellum leaves, and you just kind of take them out and put them where you want. Ooh, fun. Some more designer paper already cut for you. Ooh, look at this. These are fun. These are pre-cut, die cut pieces that go on your cards, and you're going to color them with your pencils. So there's lots of pages of those as well. So wow, tons of stuff. Oh, that's cute too. And we've got some great metallic strips to add some pizzazz to the kit. Wow, that's a lot in one kit. Woo. Now this kit has been around for a couple of years, so my guess is that it will not be retained after June this year. So if this is a kit that you want, you need to get it now because it's going to be gone. But once you have this kit, I designed something special for you. Maybe you'd like to find another way to use all these great supplies. So what I've designed for you is something that you can use to reuse your stamps, your ink, and your pencils. So here's the cute add-on kit that I put together. So here we are. There are 5 different cards that I put together, and these cards all feature different techniques to use with the set of 4 pencils that you get in this kit. So look at the different color palette that I have for you. What I featured for them is I featured a new color palette because stamps are great. A new color palette based on the colors of the pencils with the all dressed up designer paper and the Parisian floral flourish embossing folder. So let's get started. I'll show you how to make those cards.